Baby, get out of the curtain. Come here, let me see your face. Hi, are you ready to go to the zoo today?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we going, baby?
Zoo.
Huh?
Zoo.
The zoo. Oh, okay. Pick it up. Oh, where are we now?
Oh, that's the house.
What are you eating?
Jam and toast jam and toast avocado.
Oh. You're eating butter with jam toast and avocado toast, just like Mommy. Auntie Shannon made it for us. It's so yummy. Did you like it? Did you like it, baby? Yeah. Okay, now what are we doing? You're getting ready to go to the
zoo again?
yeah. Yes. But you never been to this zoo. This is the San Francisco Zoo. And it's really cold today, so we have to bundle you up, right? Now where are we?
I'm in the car.
In the car?
Where's the BMW, Mommy?
You were just in it.
I'm not in the BMW, Mommy.
Oh, not anymore. Now what are we doing?
Oh,
We're gonna stand in line to get into the zoo.
and wearing your glasses.
Oh, okay. What are we gonna see at the zoo, baby?
Oh,
Huh?
there's a ghost.
Oh.
I'm recording, Mommy.
Oh, you're recording. Okay. What do you see?
I don't know what is he saying hello to us.
Oh yeah, we were saying hello in the tunnel because it echoes, right, baby?
Is the echo here?
Yeah,
Mommy, I found the cover.
you did. Can you tell me if you see any animals?
I don't see it anywhere in the truth.
I don't see any animals there either.
No.
Anything?
No.
No.
But I found animals.
What do you see?
I see some animals. Cheese.
But what animal did you see?
A pig.
A pig? I don't think there was a pig there.
A cow.
A cow?
And a zebra too.
Oh, a zebra. Okay, I don't think they were there, but okay, baby.
I think they're there.
Yeah?
Chop, 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 chop. No. Listen. Chop, chop, chop. No.
Because if you do a lot of walking, looks like we're walking a lot, huh?
Or they water in the.
We're going to the bird aviary. Do you see any birds?
No.
Me neither.
Me neither.
Yeah, Mommy can't see very well, so I didn't see any animals. So I need you to help tell me if you see animals in the video, okay? Anything?
Yeah.
What did you see?
Birds.
Birds? Are they ducks?
Yeah.
Are they baby ducks?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think you're ducks. You were ducks.
We're ducks? Okay.
Quack. Hey, Mommy duck.
Oh, hi. Do you see any other animals?
What are we going, Mommy duck? No.
Alright, do you see any giant birds anywhere?
No either.
No?
What?
I was told there's supposed to be some giant birds on the roof or something. I don't see anything.
Oh no.
No. Look. Oh, we're walking through this house.
Where is it?
This is the house to make sure no birds fly out. They have double doors.
Is it their house?
Yeah, it's their bird house.
It's just like red.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh look, what do you see? Wow, that's how big you are compared to a gorilla.
No, not too tall enough.
You're not tall enough?
No.
Yeah, gorillas are very big.
No, I'm not big enough yet.
Oh yeah, you just have to eat more and then you'll be big and
That's
tall.
not big. tall yet.
Yeah, not yet. What do you see? What are we looking at? You're pointing at something. Look, what's that?
That's just a giraffe.
What is the giraffe doing?
Eating the Dr. lunch.
Can you speak properly, honey? How do you say that correctly?
Eating lunch.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Yeah, but I hope for lunch, Mommy.
Honey.
Sunday.
Oh, where are we now? Oh, still watching the giraffe eat. Wow. Look at that. We were so close, huh?
What are you eating?
Baby, are giraffes short or tall? Short.
Stop.
They're so tall.
Short.
Short. You. Oh, look. It's Penguin Island. Is this Penguin Island?
Where are we?
Oh no, that wasn't Penguin Island. Oh, look at the little monkey. He's feeding himself.
What is he eating?
Isn't he so cute?
I think he's eating.
I don't know. He's trying to pick out the food he likes in his food bowl.
I think he's eating food.
Oh, he's eating like fruits and vegetables.
I want to eat one. I'm not so tall yet.
Okay.
And chop chop, you win it. Cock could win it.
Oh, where'd the monkey go?
I don't know that one. Where did it go?
Oh,
It ran away.
it ran away. Oh,
It ran away.
oh look. Who's that?
What's on the beat?
I don't know where Auntie P is.
I think she's.
What do you see here?
I was talking to him.
Oh.
I was talking to him. I was talking to him.
Oh, I think there's supposed to be a bald eagle. Do you see a bald eagle?
Yeah.
Is it big?
Yeah, I was talking. I was talking. I was talking.
Oh. What are we looking at here?
I was talking.
Oh, you were talking. Okay.
I was talking.
Sure, keep talking.
Oh.
What are you eating?
I don't know what I'm eating.
You don't know what you're eating. What does that look like? Oh, an apple. Yeah. Oh, look, what's that?
I was asking.
Huh?
I was asking him.
Oh, you were asking her a question?
And
Did you make a new friend?
I'm scared of new people.
Oh, you're scared of new people? Nice.
No, Grumbles was scared of new people.
Oh, Grumbles is scared, not you. Okay.
What did Grumbles said?
Grumbles said, tell me what's going on in the video.
Stop it.
Oh, this is Penguin Island.
No.
Look, there are penguins playing in the water shooting out.
No.
And oh, here's Penguin Island.
Where's the penguin?
You don't see them?
I see it.
You do?
Zoomer use specs. Activate. Listen. Are you a Google for
Oh, look, what are you doing? Are you dancing happy feet? And look, what are the penguins doing?
I'm dancing sad feet.
Oh, dancing sad feet. Look, they're kissing. Isn't that so cute?
I want to dance like sad feet.
Oh, do you know penguins mate for life? So when they find their love, they stay together forever. Isn't that so cute? So romantic, huh?
Mommy.
Yeah. They have a cool penguin apartment.
But they still want to go under the cave.
Oh, more dancing happy feet. Look how cute you are.
Are they at the... Huh? What?
Oh, wow, look at that. It's a peacock. Look how long his feathers are.
What does he make sound like?
What did he sound like?
Can I sound like him?
Can you make a peacock sound?
I don't have. Can you help me?
How?
Honk honk.
I don't know if that's what they sound like. I forgot.
I think you're at mommy and dad's and mommy's dad's home.
Oh, we were so close to the peacock. He does like not scared of people. He's just walking around looking for food in the little lunch area.
What I Mommy,
Yes. Are peacocks so beautiful? Yeah. What's this?
oh no.
What do you see?
I said animal, no, oh no.
Oh, but what animal is that?
Animal, oh no.
What does that mean? What are these? Horses?
No, that's an animal, oh no.
Oh.
Mommy, that's an animal, oh no. Mommy, that's animal.
Oh, look at these. These are the pigs. Warthogs.
Where's pigs?
They're kind of like a type of pig, but they're rougher and tougher. Can you say warthog?
Warthog.
Warthog. Hog.
Okay, every say hog.
Okay.
Hog. Hog. Pig says squawk.
Pigs don't say squawk. What are you eating now?
Blueberry.
Another snack break. Yum.
Another snack break.
Yeah, look at you. You look so tired
Mommy,
from walking
that's
around.
banana bread.
Oh, look. And here we took a little photo shoot. Oh, it's Evan the peacock.
It's Evan the peacock.
Yeah.
Evan is the peacock. Mommy, can you make it sound like a peacock?
Honk honk.
Honk, honk.
Oh, what's this? What animal do you see? I think these were the brown bears. Look how big they are. And then they walked right up to you when they saw you.
So where's the bear's mom?
I think they went to go look for their mom.
We don't know where it is.
Oh, we don't, huh?
No, where it is.
Oh. Do you see the bears?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're so big, huh? But in the video, they look small, and then they got closer and closer and closer, and they became giant.
I want to be gigantic.
You want to be gigantic? Look. Look how big they are now.
Where's the bears?
Look, they're walking. They're following each other.
Me?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a bear on the wall. You want to stand here? I'll take a picture of you. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Oh, there he is. Hi. Wow. I think
it's smaller.
these are black bears, right?
No, these are black brown.
He's brown?
Oh, it is a black bear.
See, told you. Because they're usually smaller than grizzlies. Yeah, don't touch the fence, please. Thank you.
They're called white Croatian flowers. Oh, that one is like really white.
I know. Do you see dinosaur, baby? Come on.
Look, there's more dinosaurs here, Evan. He's still waiting.
Yeah, you waved at people.
You see the dinosaurs? Is that a rock? Oh, I can rest my leg. I was gonna say, I'm really impressed how long like
Yeah, I was surprised.
they're hugging.
Am I hugging? Yeah. My name is Evan.
Boys,
Oh yeah.
the only boys here. What? Say cheese, Evan, say cheese. What's up there?
Yeah, but we eat a lot of colored stuff. We don't smoke.
They eat a lot of shrimp. There's something in the shrimp that makes them.
Actually, at least they don't smell.
They used to do maybe.
They do smell,
Usually it's powderized.
but not as strong. That's why they're not as pink. I think because like they don't have as much shrimp. The Sacramento one.
Way worse. Ooh! Wow!
Hold on, Evan.
Hold on,
It's very gently, yeah.
Sweetie, how Evan, put your hands up.
It's like a roller coaster. Want a little bit faster or same? 1, 2.
Whoa! That was so fast.
Good job.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, do it again.
Go again.
Go up there, go up the stairs. Go ahead, go.
Evan, make sure you put your feet down. You just can't go.
Yeah. Go up the stairs.
Yeah. And force one and go straight for the big one. No, do the small one again.
Yeah, the small one. Go, baby, come mommy. Come mommy. Sit on your butt.
Oh, this has a bar. Oh, they do have a bar. Sit down.
He's processing it. He takes some time. You know?
Come on. Okay.
Yay!
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Again. Again.
The stairs is just, it doesn't move.
What does this do? You just
They
sit
just
in it?
sit here.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, wait, it's not that one.
What animal is this? Polar bear. Can you wave at mommy?
Say hi, mommy. This way. Jump on this way.
Whoa.
Okay, Uncle, try. Evan, look. Watch.
Try.
Whoa, be careful.
Jump in it. Oh, careful. 2 feet. Careful. Balance 2 feet. Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah. Hey, Evan, look. Look, big. Yeah? Okay, be careful. Turn around slowly. Big jump. Yeah. 2, 3.
Yeah, whoa, good save, good save.
Good job. Okay, Evan do it by himself.
Whoa.
Yeah? Okay, be careful. Turn around slowly. Big jump. Yeah. 2, 3.
Yeah, whoa, good save, good save.
Good job. Okay, Evan do it by himself.
Whoa.
Swing us a little bit.
Yeah.
Swing us a little bit.
Okay,
Ready?
Evan's turn.
Ooh. You having fun? Yeah? Yeah, your turn. You want to swing? Yeah?
Oh, peacock got in.
This thing hurts my butt.
It's like plastic.
There's a peacock.
Wow. Evan, look over here. Evan, look up. Evan. You want me to swing you? Let's see.
Oh, that's hella scary. No, I wasn't sure when he was coming. Hi! Yay! Okay. And then show mommy. Show mommy what Auntie P bought you. What did Auntie P buy you? Don't leave it. What did Auntie P buy you? Wow! Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Evan. Evan.